একটা কাজ জানা আর একটা কাজ পলিশ করে শিখে apply করা. Two different things. Currently, I'm working with this restaurant, Guha, the Cave Kitchen, and আমার হাজবেন্ডের আরেকটা বিজনেস আছে, the Soul Harvest for sneakers. So ওখানে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ার পার্টি আছে. আমার নাম হচ্ছে Zakia Zakaria, and আমি গ্রাফিক ডিজাইনিংয়ের ex-student from 2324 batch. And our mentor chilo Said Tanveer Chaudhary. He was a wonderful mentor and I've picked a lot of things from him.
Thank you so much. My first question to you is, what does creativity mean to you?
Well, I'm really grateful for jara creative IT pichone ache tara ei institute banai platform diyeche for to the students to polish their skills. So really hats off to them for creating such an institute and organization.
And what are you doing now?
Okay, currently I'm working with this restaurant, Guha, the Cave Kitchen, and আমার হাজবেন্ডের আরেকটা বিজনেস আছে, the Soul Harvest for sneakers. So ওখানে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ার পার্টি আছে.
And lastly, do you have any tips for the upcoming generation who wants to enter the IT industry?
Okay, একটা কাজ জানা আর একটা কাজ পলিশ করে শিখে apply করা. Two different things. So I would definitely say to the young youth, আজকের জেনারেশনে যে you should polish your skills by learning, by practicing, by gaining knowledge. Not just idea দিয়ে তারপরে you just get into the business. You have to know full knowledge of what you're implying. So that's all. And all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great experience talking to you.